Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and I thought I'd give a little update on things that have been happening around the farm this spring. Starting off, let's talk about our planting. The majority of our planting went right here in this field and consisted of about total planting 2,500 trees. Here we're kind of flying over where 25's planting was. Some of those trees went here in these little strips for tall trees and our exotic area. Coming up, we see that we have some rows prepped that we're going to be grinding the stumps out of in the next couple weeks. So hopefully it'll get done soon. And then we'll transition to the next thing, which is weed control. We band spray, and you can see here in our 2020 planting that we have good coverage. We'll be mowing between the rows coming up, give the kids something to do. And then here we have our 21 planting, our 22 planting. Nice long rows. You can see I think we ran out of some spray there on the right. And then we get into our 23 planting. All these plantings are, roughly around 2,500 trees a year is kind of what I feel I'm able to maintain. And then in this section is our 2024, so they're a little smaller and kind of consist of that whole 10 acres here kind of east of the barn. So as we spin around, you'll see nice, good control in our bands. Yeah, so very happy we mixed glyphosate and simazine. Next coming up, we're going to be doing some top work on our spruce trees. These are our baby blues. I just did a video here recently, and I really like how shiny they are. So here you see our Colorados and our Black Hill. And we'll be doing the tops of those, maybe this weekend. Just another shot of them overview. Trees to the right of the road were kind of 2020. Here's the exotic field. I didn't apply any weed killer or anything, so got some overgrowth there. And here's kind of the barn area. See some of the poles getting ready for that lighting project, the welcome archway. I'm going to work on the pre-cut display like I talked about this winter. Yeah, just overall, that's what's been happening on the farm. Thanks for watching.